Hey everyone, guess what I just scored? I was looking for a boat trailer for my Panga, and I ended up finding a great deal on not only a trailer, but it came with a boat and a motor too. Let me go ahead and show it to you. First of all, here's the trailer I got. Like I said, it is used, but it's in really good condition. Let you see it on there. I have some questions for you and some comments to share afterwards. And this, I believe, is a 15 or 14 foot boat. It says 14R, so it must be a 14 foot boat. And my Panga is a 19 foot boat, so it should fit on there. And it also came with this here Yamaha 8 horsepower 2-stroke motor, and of course the aluminum boat. So excited. Like I said, I've been checking out prices for trailers, something in good condition, and this thing is not only in good condition, but like I said, it came with a boat and a motor to get me going. So here's my questions. Number one, looking at the front of the trailer, come up here, everything looks good, but now if you notice, this part here, I don't know how adjustable they are, is there, and this is way over here. Now my Panga has more of a cut, so I'm hoping it'll fit there. So I'm wondering if it needs to actually rest in both of them when I have the Panga on there, you know, for adjusting and everything, because I think to adjust this one I'm going to have to cut because it's welded, or if just one going to make it. My other question is, all kinds of questions, I hope someone can help me. Look at the size of these tires. I haven't gotten down to see what size they are, but looking at the size of those, I have some tires, I'll keep on showing you this here, for my present trailer. This is my kayak trailer that the Panga is sitting on now. These are a little bit bigger, but I have 3 extra ones with rims. And I was thinking if I could put those tires on this trailer, I would have new tires for it. They'd be a little bit bigger. So is it universal? I mean, will the spaces, you know, will the lug nuts work from this tire to that tire if it's like a couple inches bigger? So that's another important question. Let's see, other than that, I'm excited to use the boat. It's in very good condition, and I cleaned it out a little bit this morning. Even came with a little stool. And no, I won't say the joke about it being a stool sample. I just did, right? And oh, come with oar locks, and I have oars inside that came with it, so I can actually do some paddling. And there's a hole in the back, but it has the plug here somewhere too. Yeah, see right there. So I got the plug, so pretty much everything I need. So no questions on the boat. Now the next thing, the motor. So the motor does have trouble. I understand that the person who I bought it from used a little piece of a coat hanger connected to the new carburetor, so that might be the hang up. Ha ha ha. So I'm sure this little tyke is a powerhouse, but it's only a 2-stroke 8 horsepower motor, and I'd like to get at least a 30 horsepower for my Panga, which is sitting way over there, by the way. He's still covered up. We got a lot of work to do on it. My question for you is, what do you think would be the best kind of motor I could get? Should I deal with a Yamaha? Should I deal with a Mercury? I've heard a lot of good things about both of them, and also Honda. Okay, so those are the 3 that I know of, and I know there's a lot of other ones, but give me your opinions on what you think the best 40 horsepower would be for my Panga. I could probably use it on this, and once we move, pretty soon we're going to be building a larger houseboat, so I'll also need probably dual motors for that as well. So motors are important to me. So what do you folks think? And also, the companies, Mercury, Yamaha, Honda. Give me some advice, what you think would be best and why yours would be best. I'd love to have some discussion going back and forth there too. So that's what I got. The Sea Nymph going with my little trailer, and I would love to hear your responses. So please, I'm hoping I'm in the screen here. Please let me know your answers in the comments. It would really help me to move forward and to get ahead of my build, because I want to get the sucker in the water. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.